It's recording.
Cool.
All right. So we got to take the objective lens here and see how it's two parts.
Yeah.
The thin end faces forward, so we'll just put it in this little indent here. And I'm going to try and make sure I don't touch anything other than the sides. It's pretty clean.
I saw so much of like New Zealand, Australia, and
Cool.
Then step 2 was the knot.
Goes right in.
you don't. When it's always here, there's no
Focuser high. Step 3.
you know it's just town is about 5 blocks long, just the 20 minute drive. So there's no urgency when you see it. When you travel, you want to hit the spot.
Stick them together. Snap them together, yes.
Orient the tube so that the two smooth ends match and the two rough ends match. Yep, good. Join the two focuser tube halves and fold them together. Slide the small main tube clamp ring, which is this one. I think slide that on. Yep, that way. Perfect. Yep, and so.
Like my dad.
Yeah, and now we have two U-rings, small ones. Yeah.
I bet that he'd be able to take a road trip with both.
So put one on there.
I was
Definitely had a lot of
when I was
kids.
13.
We would have been
Up
like,
until I was 13, I was paved road. I helped survey in the gas lines into our community. Before that, it was all on their own.
Okay.
It was good or propane. And when it got like minus
Lay the completed focuser tube assembly into the bin.
you would your propane would liquefy and you would have no heating. That thing was fixed.
those people, I'm
So what you do is you just
Sun warning sticker. That's important.
That's the most important part, I think, really.
I think it's this one. We don't have to put on the sun warning if you don't want.
That seems like it should be put somewhere else that doesn't need a sun warning.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now, I think I just lower this down on you.
somehow I made it. So we had electricity. We had to build our own water.
The clamp ring onto the back. So that's
There were people like when
Yeah, I think it's not quite.
there we are. Yeah, there we are. So just slide that ring down, or
Do I go over that?
push this ring down on first onto here. So yeah, there you go.
tell you about the size of something.
Both from both ends?
Or both from, or just one from this end, because you have to go. You'd have to.
Yeah, go the
Yeah.
opposite direction.
that's cool. That's cool.
And just pop it over the.
When you're growing up in it, you don't really realize because you're living it, right? When I went to university. I was talking to this girl from Hong Kong. And we got to do this. And they just talking about where we grew up and all this. And I was telling her about
And that's how I got my brother. And then for expertise, I went quite together. And that's the exact same sort of thing that when I talk to.
telling her this stuff.
The end parts really hold it together.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Yeah. I'm like, what? You're not saying that.
It's this nut.
Oh, yeah.
People like you, but I never
It's the nut here.
Yeah, I'll turn it off.
Yeah, then I realized we are from two different planets.
But even the business incubator, that's kind of the same thing. Like that's what those business incubators do. Is they take people that, well, they're generally
And it gives you an interesting perspective on things. Because
always
grow up in that you're expected to, if something happens, you have to solve it. Otherwise,
that's why you learn. I think if you're just trying to learn,
you end up getting good at
Well, I guess we gotta take off the.
finding your way around the problem.
Oh, the ring just came off.
I can't fix that. We gotta call someone. And you know what? It's
Sort of like about boating.
yeah, I'm sure. Like lots of people have similar paradigms, right? You're in a when you're forced to be in a situation where you've got to standing on your feet. You learn how to deal with things hopefully, and it gives you insight into basically
Boating, you really
learn can equal do and do can
Sorry, I put
like
this
number
together myself last week or a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, okay, they're supposed to be angled.
That's supposed to be pointed there, yeah.
But educational incubator,
No problem. There, that's nice and tight.
my dad had a station himself try to be very independent.
Yeah, go ahead.
Business like the trades. So,
But
interesting experience.
okey-doke.
But yeah, you know, if you take care of the boat.
I was in a, this is very unique experience. I was in Australia scuba diving, and there were just like 5 of us.
Cool.
In a
All right, and then
got a mayday.
All right, now, next we put this part on.
Beeline for helicopters.
Yeah, that sort of holds everything, helps the whole.
oh yeah, I guess.
Everything
So you can just slide that onto the front here.
4 foot swell. As I learned those, the reef it was about 10 away.
All right, starting to look like a telescope.
Well, the lenses,
Now
the
we
lenses
put
are
the
fun.
eyepieces
They
together.
take a little bit, a little bit more
What do
work.
we do with the helicopter?
Oh, geez, my Leatherman. Do you have a Leatherman on you?
Yeah. Everybody else there.
Both functions stand. Whatever. I got.
Yeah, we were using it as a camera stand.
Like scuba diving. And they don't know what to do with the helicopter. And I'm like sitting there like, really? Like, we got a rope there. Why don't we just tow it? Like the farm buyer. so they're like, yeah, it's not a bad idea. So we lash it to the back,
These are different sizes, I
to the
guess.
back of the
Yeah.
boat, and we tow it into the pontoon behind, like it's moored to
So you can see we got a lot of lenses here.
where we were scuba diving. So, and
there
by
are
that
4
time,
main
the
eyepiece
main
lenses.
lenses out, and there's like 3 helicopters above us. There's just ocean liners. There's
Thin
down,
ring,
like
yeah,
this-
that goes in
any
here.
boats in the area come to
rear?
rotation.
Right in that thin sleeve area. Okay, so
But they were just gonna leave it. They were just gonna let it go. The pilot was gonna let it go. They didn't know what to do with it. Yeah.
Don't get anybody to stick around.
Yeah.
What I would have done is put my anchor on there.
That probably would have worked.
But I have a bit of a photo experience, so.
Well, I wasn't. It wasn't like I was the. Like I was. I just jumped up and said this. I was waiting for other people to say something. To figure out something to do with it.
Oh yeah, I mean, knowing what to do in those sorts of things.
oh yeah, we have to build our own doublets like
Yeah, it's
this
not like you
one.
always see
Yeah, so
One day,
So just stick on there.
this one goes
we knew that we
the
have
water intake was
properly
not
set up
working.
project
We
management system.
weren't getting cold water.
So that all those people that might have
together like that.
Thousands of dollars worth of fishing gear and that with
There we go.
hydraulic
basically, like now if we actually establish ourselves a little bit better than was originally planned, then we could then according to what a member wants, like as far as their needs change, we would be able to cater to those needs and possibly even extend their actual lifetime of that membership.
That's interesting. What do they ship them in doublets?
If we stay
The reason is these are 2 different kinds of glass, and each of the no glass has the same index of refraction for all colors of light. So when you have just a single kind of glass lens, you get chromatic aberration, where the focal length is different for different lengths or for different colors of light. And what these doublets do is they have the opposite errors, so they cancel each other's error out. So the one causes this chromatic aberration, and then the other causes a chromatic aberration that actually corrects it.
That's fun.
Yeah. Okay. Now this goes together.
It's starting to transition where it's like a simple
Yeah, this
Well,
one.
yeah, and the thing is, you
can do
like if you can
This one
approach,
goes
you
on
learn to
here,
approach a problem,
and then one of those
logically
goes
enough,
on
you can usually
here.
figure out how to fix
One of
it.
those.
It doesn't matter how.
Perfect.
And similar thing with these.
Yeah, this one is doublet as well, I think.
Yeah.
But it's those.
real like amateur hobbies are just for the start.
absolutely no protection against
But you need all groups. But the thing is, when you get into professional
But But like the interesting, like I work in IT, right? And I find often that I'm looking at problems in a different way than my colleagues are, because I've had experience figuring
They
things
make more
out.
money and they're also willing to spend it.
It's like that that you can look back.
Yeah,
and
here we
say,
are.
well, like you remember
Okay.
that, right? And you remember
One of them
next
is
time something like that
concave
comes up,
both ways.
you know, you're gonna, yeah.
So that's frustrating.
Yeah.
Once that was open and water was flowing, it could flow really fast.
One thing that I've seen is a dynamic in a lot of successful spaces.
This one here is
The structures
there. That's how
they
they go
basically
together.
their electronics actually they don't have the same velocity, and they just want to, like, they don't get enough.
The right one in the diagram faces the narrow.
And so,
Okay, so
and that's the one thing before is that Protospace never
That one goes towards the T.
So we got UC, we got Mount Royal, we got Protospace.
I think I'm feeling the same way. So I think I'm gonna.
She's delicate. Yeah, we should head back.
Sorry, they can't name though.
I'm Shannon.
yeah, yeah, perfect. Yeah.
We have
This
our
goes on top.
you follow Twitter.
Goes in here. This, oh wait, no, sorry. This actually is the Galilean configuration. So you can set it up like this. And then this is like the 18x Galilean. You can set it up like, take this out, stick this in here, stick this in here. This is the 50x Barlow configuration. This is the most magnification. You can stick this just straight in here. This is the 25x wide field one. This is going to be the one you'll use most of the time,
I've registered
like
both
for
domains.
finding stuff. Let's give it a try.
Oh yeah.
I guess it could. I just can't form on the other.
You could, but you could say, hey,
That need is there. That's, yeah.
Come on.
maybe that's just put it in.
That's a good.
Look at that. There we go. Now we're talking. This is what we want. Things like this.
Exciting value. There we go.
Hey, I was using it.
Thank you.
Hey guys.
Just slide the tube in and out to focus it.
Well, hey, have a good night. We'll see you around some
Yeah, I'm sure. We
Got it all together?
Yeah.
The last one. That's where you work. Everything on we're trying to do as much as possible. We do
Sooner or later,
Do you have the
once every couple months. we have
Galileo
a
type lens in there?
No, we're using the 25x
Okay.
wide field one.
In the culture of
Can actually go out quite a bit more than that.
as long as somebody there knows what they're doing, he'll possibly go for that just because.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay.
guy in San Francisco. He ran the Access Network so this is a newly assembled one?
Yeah, yeah, we just put it together. It took us about 15 minutes. We
Awesome, yeah, I was
videotaped
watching
it.
you guys building it there.
Yeah.
Just reminds me of the other dude in San Francisco. Oh, I like the homemade. Oh, yeah. I don't know what you call it.
Leatherman iPhone stand.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, it is a Leatherman,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So you go for the good ones.
Watch out for this guy.
Well, hey guys, sorry Ben, I'm Greg. It was
Nice
good
to meet
talking
you,
to you,
Greg.
though.
Yeah,
But I'm going to see you guys around again.
Hopefully we'll see you guys at more Protospace
Yeah, no, I'll
events.
definitely see you around
Yeah,
sometime.
yeah, keep watching. We'll have a physical
Yeah, and do you guys
location.
just keep the meetup page updated?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah, if you join the actual meetup like group, the Protospace
Yeah, so
group, you get like notifications and all
Yeah,
that.
this is what I'll do.
Yeah, it's the best way.
Yeah, we're on Facebook too. Yeah, we're easy to find.
Not so good at that.
Yeah,
I don't
but
like
if-
Facebook.
Yeah, me neither.
It's more of a purposeful like revolt. I'm almost near 100 friends.
Facebook's too
but
evil.
I'm feeling good about that. Have you done Google Plus yet?
Yeah, well, it's
Sweet, I love Google
I got an
Plus.
invite finally, but I haven't done anything.
Yeah. The invite system goes up and down from time to time.
Yeah, it's
So
weird.
yeah, sometimes it'll be up, sometimes it'll be down.
Well, see you guys. Have fun.
Yeah,
checking
nice
stuff
meeting
out.
you.
See ya.
Not quite.
Probably without the shroud.
No. Yeah, if you take off the shroud, it'll fit. But I don't know if you want to take it apart or it's pretty sturdy. You can
Sure, yeah.
Why don't here's what I do. Put one over each end so that it doesn't get dusty.
Yeah, that's a good call. I guess you can take the optics apart if you want to.
Oh yeah, you can take the whole thing apart if you want to.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah. So this is for storage. Put it on here when you're not using it. Awesome. It's, yeah. So let's put your accessories back in the box. So yes.